Managing your short-term rental. Cleaning your short-term rental continued. What else do I recommend that your cleaning crew do? Well, if you have a Keurig at your rental, they should be putting out a handful of K-Cups for the incoming guests. And for those of you who have coffee bars, they should restock those as well. Also, if you have a logo gift, which I really think you should to be VRB outstanding, then they should leave one out for them at the end of their cleaning. And I like supplying a little note for them as well. And I'll show you that in a minute. I also have them check that there is at least one deck of playing cards. I keep a plethora of them in the owner's closet and make sure that the new deck is there in case a previous guest may have taken them or somehow gotten rid of them. Again, twice a year, they're to replace all the batteries in the TV remote. No stone is left unturned. They are to clean and maintain everything. Now, since I strongly suggest a monitored alarm system, those are usually powered with lithium batteries. Therefore, you do not have to replace the batteries in smoke detectors once or twice a year. Those lithium batteries will last years, and your app should tell you when they're running low and need to replace them. Then you can let your cleaning crew know. You should always have those spare lithium batteries in your owner's closet. You should also have plenty of spare LED light bulbs for your house cleaners to replace any bulb that is out. When they are there cleaning, they should turn on all the lights to ensure that there are no blown bulbs. I also have mine refill the charcoal bin in the gas grill, and they check on the propane tanks. And that's why I keep 3 tanks. If one tank is low, they take it with them in the refill and bring it back next time. They don't have to replace it the same day because there's 2 spare left there. But everything should be fully functional for the incoming guest. When my house cleaners leave out my logo gift for guests, they have a thank you card which is stuffed in an envelope, and rather than seal it, we actually have a sticker with our Oasis logo that we use to seal it that way. They simply rest the card against the gift for when the guest comes, thank them for their stay, and here's their gift. But it also serves a second purpose, the backside of the card. The backside of the card has a humorous explanation of the 5-star rating system. We strive for 5 stars with each and every guest, and we try to make sure they understand that a 5-star review is simply that they're satisfied and that the property was accurately depicted in the advertisement. We also recommend that they don't choose 4 stars because basically they wouldn't recommend it. We explain that there is a rating system that if it goes below 4.3 stars, that we will lose our premier status, and as small business owners, this will significantly affect us. Therefore, they need to understand that a 4-star review shouldn't be given unless they really had a bad time. Then again, when they check in, if there was anything that we missed, and part of our 4 contacts, we train them to reach out to us. Now, if they did not reach out to us to correct any issues early on, then that is their issue, not ours, and we simply cannot correct that. I literally have no problem paying my cleaners any amount that they ask for. I do not set the price. I ask them what their price is. And I'll gladly pay that, provided that they ensure perfection and I don't get any guest complaints. Now, every few years, if they ask for more money, I give it to them, provided I'm not getting any guest complaints. Now, every area is different regarding cleaning services and their pricing, but resort towns are going to command a premium. Don't be surprised if you're going to pay $500 or so for an average house. If it's a bigger house, you're going to pay more. If it's a smaller one or a condo, you may pay a little less. But you want high quality. And quality work in a beach resort town, is hard to come by. Now, I think there are two places that you do not want to sacrifice quality at all. First is your pictures, and second are your cleaners. Both are worth their weight in gold. Geez, I hope I don't sound like a therapist here, but your cleaners need to know that they can call you whenever and about whatever without any hesitation. You need to openly communicate. They can make or break your short-term rental. They literally have the most important role in your organization. Therefore, there needs to be a good communication between both of you.